Koech, can you good evening first of all, and kindly paint for us a picture. I know you are in Bomet. What's happening at the moment? I'm seeing someone counting the votes in Bomet.
Yes. Thank you so much. We're here in Bomet Central Constituency, but we've been traversing the county of Bomet during the day. And right now, the ballot is just being counted. We've been to Sotik constituency because Bomet County, just to paint a picture to Ramogi TV viewers, it has 5 constituencies. That is Sotik constituency, Chepalungu constituency, Bomet Central, Bomet East, and Konoin constituency. Earlier on, we saw this county, the incumbent governor, Hilary Barchok, casting his vote. And also here, there is the competition between Hilary Barchok and Isaac Ruto. And at 5 p.m., exactly 5 p.m., actually, because a few of them were turned away because of coming 10 minutes later. And currently, we are in Bomet Primary School in Bomet Central constituency, where voting closed at 5 p.m. and now it is the counting time. And the agents have just been allowed here, those who are representing the aspirants. And you can see behind me, they're just counting and sorting out. Sorting actually ended, and now they are doing the counting of votes. This is it has a big number of votes here in Bomet Central, and especially because it is closer to Bomet town. Another polling station that has a bigger number is Bomet Town Hall, that we were there earlier today. Here we are told it's over 3,000 votes. And just for Ramogi viewers also, we can say that Bomet County has had fairly free, they call it free and fair, because there have been minimal incidences here. And earlier on, I spoke to the deputy county commander, who said that the security has been beefed up here in Bomet County. And just tonight, it's just about a matter of time before we see winners, and especially the votes that will be counted in the constituency level. But now for the governorship, it is here actually in Bomet Central that we will be waiting for those ballot boxes or ballot materials to come from all the 5 constituencies. So here we're just pitching camp to see who has gotten how many votes. And in a few minutes, or definitely, we will be updating our viewers from all our platforms on how many votes, or each aspirant has gotten how many votes. Again, here we have 3 governors aspirants who are vying for the gubernatorial seat. That is the incumbent Hilary Barchok, Isaac Ruto, and there is another competitor here. But like I said, we will be here all night burning our midnight oil. It has been a long day, but we will be here just to let our viewers know how many votes were cast and how many for each aspirant. Back to you in studio.
So much, Emily Koech. Thank you very much for painting to our viewers what's happening.